Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you Xtrons radio Android head unit. This is Android 13. It's just turning on very quickly. When you look at it, odometer is not flashing. That's the best sign. That means you can buy this radio. The backup camera, that's original backup camera. It's still working. When you look at the UI part, it is very flawless and it works perfectly fine. And I already showed you about the torque. You can install as an additional device, then you can see whatever your car is having a problem or not. And you can install DVR. You can buy X DVR. You can put it on the front windows. You can use this as a dash cam. Right now I connected the internet. Go ahead and open YouTube and try to play copyright free music and see. What about this? There. As you see, there is no problem. Everything is good. And let me turn it off. Radio is also working. And car info, we already talked about this in the previous video, but you can change all the settings over there. There is Apple CarPlay and it is also working fine. There is no problem. Here, we already installed it before. Here is our GPS antenna, and this is for the 4G antenna. And if you want to use cellular network, basically Xtrons is providing you materials. If you don't have proper things, I'm gonna use this SIM card and we're gonna see if it's gonna work or not. This is from EIOTCLUB and this is for 4G, and it's using different networks such as AT&T, T-Mobile or Verizon network. Whenever there is signal from any carrier, it's using that one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this over there. Then I will close it and lock it and close this area. And let's go ahead and look at the radio, how it's gonna respond. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and look at this area first. Right now, it is trying to find 4G. Let me make it closer. Right there. Right now, it's working 4G. And let's go ahead and try to use Chrome to see if it's working or not. Let's go ahead and search Xtrons. And it's right there. See, it is very fast also. Right there. Also, if you don't have cell phone, basically you can use Google Maps because you have the internet connection. Then you can go wherever you want with this. For example, direction, start. See, even though I'm in the garage, it's getting the signals. That's a great thing. YouTube, yeah, YouTube. See, it's very fast. I mean, What about this? All right. What about this? Yeah, it's working very fine. It has two UI. When you press on that, you can even switch it. The other one. Now it's switched. Welcome. See, I like this one better. Look at that. Let's go ahead and put everything inside and continue from there. When I press one more time, it's gonna go back to original. It's very easy. Look at that. All right, we have the Play Store, Google Play Store. Let me go ahead and sign in quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and download this, install. We can see the download speed. Now it's downloaded in 5 seconds and it's trying to install it. Let me play. Start. Okay, let me go back. There is another thing. If you have 4G on your radio, basically you can do hotspot. And right now, whoever is in the car, basically they can use internet connection. There's the password and there's the hotspot name. Let's go ahead and search for the name, if I am able to see it or not. Yes, it says car leather right there. It's gonna ask me the password. Oh, I already did that. Yeah, I already put the password. Okay, let me go ahead and go to Apple. Now it's working. It's because of the hotspot. Basically, that's a good deal for all your family members. When you look at this type of Android head units in the market, basically 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, they're not providing you so many things. And this performance and 4G capability and topic switching, like the theme, is very quick already. You have YouTube, you have Play Store and Google Maps using 4G and real data mapping. Like, everything is awesome. Basically, I am suggesting this Android head unit 100%. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video.